Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daydrian. Machel Montano breaks 8-year hiatus. The king of soca touched down in Jamaica for We Fet over the weekend for his first performance in the island in 8 years. Patrons were treated to his extensive catalogue with songs like Soca Kingdom, Like a Boss, Vibe Scandal, and so much more.
Anybody from Jamaica? Show me your way. Take this from me away. Come on. Go like this. Go like this.
E-Prime caught up with Machel after his performance.
The live band and the dancers, we could show people the dancing because, Jamaica love dancing and soca is just about as much dancing as dancehall. But you have to see it and you have to feel it and hear it and, we could control and talk to the crowd. So I always love when, the people like the organizers of this fete go out of the way because it's not easy to fly all these people and to put on a show of that magnitude and bring Bungee Garland and Voice and Skinny Fabulous, Nyla Blackman, all the road march players. This will set people's energy for the road tomorrow. Some might be tired, but some know that energy can't be destroyed. So you just take what you get tonight and carry it out when they wake up in the morning.
Along with the soca legend, We Fet also saw performances from Iowa George, Bungee Garland, Nyla Blackman, Skinny Fabulous, along with our very own Valiant and Agent Sasko.
Every year. The union is getting stronger, the ties, the relationships between the cultures, the artists, the producers, the music is just, and social media is bringing it so much closer now, It's a beautiful thing to see. In the Caribbean region alone, we have 44 plus million people. So what we need to figure out as a people amongst us is how to stream our content on our region and make that work. Do we own awards? Do we this? We own that? Do we own everything? And stop depending on them people to validate what we do.
Machel is set to headline St. Thomas Carnival this weekend. Now onto the international scene, Jonathan Majors is facing major backlash following domestic violence charges. According to reports, an insider has confirmed to Variety that the actor and his talent manager Entertainment 360 have parted ways. The actor was also removed as a client last month from his PR firm. Now, the development comes 3 weeks after the Creed 3 actor was arrested in Manhattan on March 25 and charged with assault and harassment regarding a domestic dispute with a 30-year-old woman. Major's legal team has denied that the assault took place, alleging that evidence exists that could clear the actor of all the charges. Major was on the rise with the two upcoming marquee roles, Creed 3 and Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania. The rising actor earned an Emmy nomination for Lovecraft Country. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daydrian. Thank you for watching.